What's up, everybody? We are here at the Jayco Dealer Homecoming 2025 home court to Vaught RV. We're checking out some units. Can't wait to show you something super special, and it's right over here. What's up, everybody? Cam Hunt, Vaught RV. We are here at the Jayco Homecoming checking out some of their 2026 models, and we came across a beauty. You gotta come and check it out. It's the Jayco Embark, and we think there's something very special that you're gonna wanna check out. Come on, let's go. We are inside something special that Jayco has rolled out. It's the Jayco Embark, and it has got a ton of features. Let's run through them just a little bit right here. We have induction stove with propane. Something really cool that I've never seen before, a pop-up vent. You can hear it going. Let's go right over here to this. This is a hidden microwave right here behind this little door. And also right underneath it, very cool, hidden refrigerator with freezer. This deep farm style sink is really cool, very stylish. I love the dark color and retractable little faucet. All right, so as you can see, I'm 6'4". I'm a big guy. I am sitting in this cockpit, super comfortable. It's got so much tech and gadgets up here, Sony screen, everything is push button. I'm really thinking Jayco is about to release something all electric. I don't know if I'm even allowed to say it, but this thing is amazing. I got all the features right here at my hands. I know you're supposed to, when you're driving, you're supposed to be paying attention. I get it, but listen, everything is so close, and it's a very cool cockpit. I feel like Captain Kirk up here. This thing is awesome. Now check this out. I'm relaxing. I'm in the galley. I'm hanging out. I'm sitting on premium leather seating. And not only that, right here, I can recharge with some USBs, and it looks like even USB-C. Listen, that's where everything is going, USB-C. And then, let's say I want to watch something on TV. Check this out. It's even got a 40-inch smart TV. Again, I'm 6'4". I'm standing in this shower. I got my shoes on. I can stand fully in this shower. And not only is this shower tall, not only do I have room to move around, this is a very modern, stylish type of shower. Very new. Everything looks fantastic in here. Hard walls. I mean, and this marble look on the walls, amazing. And a little removable shower head so I can get all in my back here. Y'all, again, so many features. Can't even feature them all, but lots of room here in the shower. All right, so when it's time to go to bed, you've hung out, you've done all the camping in style. This is not even camping anymore. We are glamping here in the Jayco Embark. Time to go to bed. Hit this big old queen size bed. This thing is amazing. Big space, lots of features, lots of things going on here. I'm tired. Time to go to bed. Oh. Day one, Jayco Homecoming. Y'all, right here in Texas, there are so many new Jayco floor plans. You don't want to miss it. And you know where you can see those real soon? At Vaught RV in Fort Worth.